Pero mabato. So be careful. Dapat talaga naka-beach shoes kayo pagpunta dito sa Starfish Island. Pero maraming Nemos sa ilalim kung gusto mag-snorkeling. And
kung lalayo ka pa, mas malaki.
Kung lalayo ka, mas okay sana. Mas malaki yung mga fish daw, sabi ni Manong. Now, si Shasha and I are heading to the Starfish area. Alam mo na, pag medyo ma-unders na, basta starfish na lang. Yan. Pa-pictorial na lang. At saka dito, hindi white sand. Yan o. Pangit yung buhangin nila. Hindi ito yung island talaga masasabi na wow. Except for snorkeling. Yung nga lang magsusugat ka, lalo na kung di ka naka-beach shoes. Kalaban natin ngayon kasi summer, maraming jellyfish. So ingat-ingat, careful. Ayun! I saw one there, oh. Ayan, starfish, oh! Ayan, oh! Ayan! Ayan pa isang starfish! Kinuha ni Kuya ang starfish. Yay! Nakahawa ka ng starfish. Hello, starfish! Kili-kili ko nakikita. Hello, starfish! Isang katibay proof to nakahawa ko starfish siya. O yan ha. O babalik na namin siya. Yay! Balikan na! Bye-bye! Here's Jamila holding starfish. Yan! That's Julia and Miguel. Sure. Nak, i-return nyo na yung starfish sa bahay niya. Sige na, go!
Farewell, goodbye.
Farewell, bye-bye, starfish. Patrick, go back. Oh, go back. Bye-bye. Bye, gently. Bye-bye. Bye-bye you. The next destination, the next island is Luli Island. Kaya pala Luli yon, lulubog, lilitaw. Totoo yan, literal. Yan ang sinabi ni tour guide Jen. We're on our way to our second island, that's Luli, lulubog, lilitaw island. We have just arrived at Luli Island, Lulubog, Lilitaw Island. This is the second island for the day. Magla-lunch muna tayo dito sa Luli Island bago tayo mag-snorkeling kasi dito yung restaurant nila. Kasama sa package yung lunch. Okay? See you at the lunch. Welcome to Luli Island. Mukhang mabato pa rin dito at mabuhangin, syempre. We're going to have lunch here at the same time. Pareho lang, snorkeling and fish feeding. At least medyo Instagrammable dito. May mga flags. Pero wala akong makita rock formation. I think we're gonna have lunch first because this is the restaurant. Ngayon yung lunch. Dahil takot ako magka-problema sa digestion again. Puro gulay again nakakainin ko. Vegetables. Except for this one. Ito may meat. Tingnan natin kung maganda mag-snorkeling dito. We'll try. We're in Luli Island now. Jamila is back there. Gawin nyo yun, no? Tumatano, no? Kaya nyo gayahin? Siya? Here comes Miguel. Oh, nasa na? Nasa na? Tingnan mo, ayan na, di na kayang bumalik niyan. Here comes my bonsai. I just saw Nemos, lots of Nemos underwater. Oh, ganda ng horizon. Yeah. Hindi masyadong mabato, unlike dun sa Starfish Island. And the mga Nemos here, ang dami, different colors talaga. Ganda, naka-Dona Cruise ka sa tubig. At ang hair ko pa, saan ba nag-bangs ko dyan? Yeah, we're leaving Luli Island, we're heading to Kauri Island, third island for the day. Just reached Kauri Island, third and last island for the day. Yay! We're here now at Kauri Island. Kauri or Kauri Island? Kauri Island. Ano namin dito? Pearly shells.
Cowrie shells.
Cowrie shells. Oh. Cowrie shells. Hindi naman Pearly Island. Sorry, vlogger talaga. Char. Let's see kung maganda ang tubig dito. Pero dito more of activities, right? So they want to do banana boat. Yee! Cowrie Island! Looks like a happy island. Oh. Cowrie Island. Fun, exciting island experience. Kasi nga nito yung activities. Volleyball, you can borrow the ball. Pero mainit. There's massage, kayaking and swimming, and restaurants are there. Wow. Henna tattoo, jet ski, banana boat. Okay, we're gonna go. We're gonna do banana boat. Hindi pala ako kasama as usual. I will be staying in the speedboat. At pipicturean lang in the video si Jamila with Shakira. Ayan. That's their banana boat. Taga-banana shake na naman ko lagi. Ang taga-bantay. Guys! Bye-bye! Oy, sumali ka sa balko. Oh! Bye! At dito naman ako sa speedboat na to. Ay, dito pala ako! Yay! Dito ako eh! Ako may-ari na speedboat! Woo! Good luck! Dito. Woo! Sarap! I can lie down on the stones under. Lino-lino. Sarap. Yee! Hi, Ate.
Hi, I'm black.
What do you think? Which one has the best beach? Yung Starfish is out because it's very mabato. It's a competition between this beach, which is Cowrie Island, and Luli Island, Lulubog Lilitaw Island. So ano mas gusto mo?
Siguro Cowrie.
Cowrie, mas malinaw, no? Actually, mas malinaw ang tubig sa Cowrie. Look at this.
May water
Yan.
activities.
Oo, tsaka may water activities dito. We just did banana boat. Ako nasa speedboat. Syempre, hindi ako nagsumakay. Lagi ako sumasakay. May jet ski. We did banana boat. Unfortunately, sa Cowrie ngayon ay ma-jellyfish. So, hindi kami makalayo. Pero we'll try later. O, may kayaking dyan, o. Hey, say hello. Hi. Hi to the vlog. Nagkakayaking sila. Ayan. Dito, gusto ko na nga ito para sa Bantayan Island, do. Malino, tapos may bato sa ilalim. I really love this. I love this look ng beach talaga. Ayan. Tapos, dinidivide na nila. Ito, makikita mo. Ayan na, malinaw na doon. Medyo lumalalim. Hindi naman siya ganun kalalim. Tapos may mga fish din. Pero ang pinakamaraming fish kami nakita sa Luli Island. Ayan. Tapos may starfish naman sa Starfish Island. Cowrie Island. Despite the fact na maraming jellyfish at hindi naman sila nag-swim, maganda kasi yung tubig. Malino na malinaw. Ayan, maganda. Maganda yung experience, maganda yung ambience, maganda yung look overall.
Ako Luli kasi maraming fish.
Ikaw, si Miguel is si Luli Island kasi maraming Nemos. Tsaka doon sila nag-dive. Ako pareho, Luli and Cowrie. Next year, punta tayo sa El Nido kasi sinasabi nung kasama namin sa tour, mas maganda ang El Nido kesa Puerto Princesa. El Nido and Coron, Palawan. So next year, that will be included in our bucket list. Thank you so much for watching my video. My name is Ima and my channel is It's Ima. It's never too late, yes. Even if you're in your 30s or 40s or 50s or 60s, it's not too late. You have to enjoy life because you only live once. So just go wherever you want to go and do whatever you want to do. Kagaya kanina may kasabay kami na mga 60-something or 50-something, like naka-rush guards pa rin sila and nag-enjoy pa rin sila. They keep on traveling. In fact, they came from El Nido, dinig pa kami. See? That's the best example of enjoying life to the fullest. Oh, it's never too late, di ba? It doesn't matter kung anong age mo. Pwede mong gawin lahat. Everything is possible for as long as you want it and you love doing it. Just do it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified of my new videos. And if you have comments and feedbacks and suggestions on what you would like me to feature in my vlogs, just leave your comments down below.
I will.
Thank you, and see you again in my next venture, whatever venture. Bye! And we're back to our hotel. Siyempre, oops, may surprise na naman ang housekeeping. May crocodile towel art na naman ang housekeeping. Galing talaga. O, yan. Diba? O, yan o. Nakapasok sa bibig ng crocodile. For fresh linen, being eco-friendly, we change bed linen every 2 days. Thank you. Thank you also for changing our linen every 2 days. And of course, may note na naman for Miss Valerio. Miss Valerio ko talaga nagbabayad. Char. Hello, Miss Valeria, Shalene. Wala pong Miss Wilma Curato. Thank you then. We would like to thank you for choosing our resort. We hope you enjoy staying here with us. And we hope you like it. My simple crocodile art towel for you. Thanks. God bless. What's this? Safe trip tomorrow. Jerry from housekeeping. Thank you, Jerry. Shout out to you. I'm not Shalene Valerio. My name is Wilma Curato. That's Shalene Valerio, my good friend. Shalene, para sa'yo pa na note na to eh. Manggit ka? Alam, ba't laging sa'yo? Ba't wala ako? Napapansin ko yata.
Bakit? Sino ba nakapangalan?
Nakapangalan sa'yo, pero ako nagbabayad. My God, tapos wala sa sige, ikaw. So, hindi ka maganda, sabihin mo. Ganun ba yun? Tandaan ba sa ganda yan? Okay, anyway, thank you, Jerry of housekeeping. Thank you, Wilma Curato also. Thank you to you. To you, the vlogger.
Pumunta ka ditong neg-neg, uuwi ako dong neg. Wala namang sama. Kulay lang yun. At ano po ba ang nasa likod ng mga vlogs, Instagram ng mga vlogger? Ito po ang nasa likod ng mga picture, video ng mga vlogger. Panoorin ko po. Kaya dapat, pag may ina-idolize kayo ng mga vlogger, ilalike nyo yung mga post nila kasi mahirap yan. Ayan o, tingnan nyo kung gaano kahirap yan. Diba? Mas mahirap